So example 27, you can have you can scan this barcode and look at the video as well. Alright, so let's say I look at this question. So wish to connect electricity to 8 sites in a part. So this one is the weighted graph because you have value over here and the location of the electricity sources P. So they ask you use frame algorithm to find the least amount of electric cable that will be connected to all 8 sites. Okay, so one of the important keyword in the minimum span tree is you need to connect. You need to connect all vertices. So this one is minimum span tree. So shorter path is not necessary to connect all vertices. Remember, so right now we want to find spanning tree, must connect all vertices. So how we are going to connect? Let me teach you over here. Okay, so let's say, okay, so right now let's see over here. Let's say I start from P. So P I have 13, 16, 17, 11, 16, 14, 13, and 10. So which one is the lowest value? 10. 10 is the lowest, so I straight away P connect to S2. So this will be the first line. Remember, you can start any vertex that you want, but you always find the lowest value to connect to this other point. So P, I have 13, 16, 17, 11, 16, 14. So 10 will be lowest, so that's why I straight away connect to S2. So right now, look at these two, S2 and P. Look at S2 and P. S2 and P, do you have any lowest value? This one I need to hide, need to write for you. So connecting P, I have 16 to S8, 17, 11 to S6, 16 to S5, 14 to S4, 13 to S3, 13 to S1, and look at this S2. I have 7 to S1, 8 to S3. So which one is the lowest value? Of course, will be the 7 to S1. So I connect S2 and S1 already. So you always look for the lowest value. So again, this one you need to repeat many times. So again, after you have S1, S2, and P, you need to connect S8, 7, 6, 5, S4, and S3. So how many value you have to connect? So I no need to look at this value because I already connect S1. So this value I no need to look at. So next one, I have 16 connect to S8, 18 connect to S8, 17 connect to S7, 11 connect to S6, 16 connect to S5, 14 connect to S4, and 13 connect to S3, and 8 connect to S3. So which one is the lowest value over here? So it's means 8 connect to S3. So I have found 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So repeat again. So you need to repeat again this step. So that means over here, I no need to look at this 13 already because I already connect this point. So no point I look at 13. So straight away continue. I got 16 connect to S8, 18 connect to S8, 17 connect to S7, 11 connect to S6, and 16 connect to S5. P connect to S4 is 14, and 9 connect to S4. So which one is the lowest value? So 9 over here. So therefore, okay, draw a line. Then you erase the other again. So next one again, ask yourself, so which one is the lowest value? So this 14, of course, no need to look, I already connect the S4. So let's look at 18, connect to S8, 16, 17, 11, 16, and 19 over here. So which one is the lowest value? So 11, connect to S6. So this one, erase again. Okay, so continue until you connect all the vertices. So from S6, you have the lowest value 18, 16, 17, 10, 9. Of course, 9 is the lowest value to connect S5. And after that, continue again, you have 18, 16, 17, 10. So 10 will be the lowest value, connect S7. Continue again, you have 18, 16, and 8. The lowest will be 8. So this one will be your spanning tree. So once you already identify the minimum distance using highlighter, okay, next thing is please draw out. Normally the question is you need to draw out the spanning tree. So you just need to remain the position of the vertex and just draw the edges. So this one is P. So P connect to S2, S2, S1, and S3, to 4. After you draw the spanning tree, please do not forget to label. This is 7, 10, 11, 8, 9. This one is 9, 10, 8. You need to put the value over here, then you'll be complete. So normally this question is 3 marks. So you drawing the diagram is 2 marks already. So plus 1 more mark is the question asks you to find the least amount of electric cable, means in meter over here. So you just have to find what is the total. So total sum up together 7 plus 10 plus 11 plus 8 plus 9 and plus 8 plus 10 plus 9. Again, you look at the diagram and plus up all the values. Okay, so you get the answer over here. Alright? So please remember to repeat the video again if you're not sure how to do. It means when we are going to discuss in the class, you can ask me question. I still will explain this question again. Okay, so once you've already done this question, so you are using table. We try. So you learn 2 things over here. First one, using the graph to identify. So using graph to identify the minimum spanning tree. Second is using table to identify the spanning tree. So for using the table to identify the spanning tree, I want you to watch this video. So which I will attach in the attachment. So which video you need to watch over here. So I'm not going to explain. I just put in I already have a video for me. We have one of the video. Okay. So please go through these 2 questions, and in the lesson I will come to this question again. So if you have any question, please remember to drop by and ask me during the class. Okay? Alright, see you guys. Everyone.